Hello children. In our lesson today, we are going to be learning all about equal groups. And it's really important that we understand what we mean by equal groups. So I want you to have a look at my picture here. Now, I have made some groups. Can you see here, I have got 3 groups that have got 3 things in each group. I could say that those groups are equal because there is the same amount in each group. Now let's look at this group here, these groups here. I have got 3 groups again, but I've got 3 in this group, 3 in that group, but only 2 in this group. So I can't say that these are equal groups because the groups are not the same. These are equal because each group has got the same amount in it. These are unequal because they've got different amounts in each one. So I'm going to write equal and I'm going to write unequal. Okay, children, so that's really important that you remember that equal groups have got the same amount in each group. I'd like you to pause the video now, have a look at the activities in the PDF file, and I'd like you to stop after you've completed the activity which asks you to label some groups equal or unequal. Now in the next part of the lesson, children, we're going to be working out how to describe our equal groups. So I want you to have a look at this picture here. I've got some equal groups. Let me see how many groups I've got. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can say that there are 4 groups. How many are there in each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 in that group. And I know there's 5 in all the others because they are equal groups. So there are 5 in each group. So to describe this group, I could say there are 4 groups and there are 5 in each group. I want you to pause the video here, children, and complete the Your Turn activity on the PDF file. Now, children, it's really, really important when we're describing our groups that we describe them correctly. So I've written a statement here and I want to see what you think. I've written, I have 5 groups with 2 in each group. Is that correct? I'm not sure it is. The 5 comes because this is a 5p, but I think I've got that wrong. Yes, I think I definitely got it wrong, children, because I've got 2 5p's. That means I've got 2 groups and there's 5p in each group. So this should say I have 2 groups with 5 in each group. So let me write that there. I have 2 groups with 5 in each group. Now, children, it's really important when we're describing our groups that we describe them correctly. So you have to look really, really carefully at the number of groups you've got and how much is in each group. Thank you, Year 2. Now, children, in our second independent activity that I want you to do, I'm asking you to use equipment from around your house to show some different groups. And I'm going to give you an example. So this is my example. Make 6 groups with 2 in each group. And I'm going to make it one way and then I'm going to see if I can make it in different ways. So I want you to have a go at doing that. So 6 groups with 2 in each group. So let's have a go. There's 1 group of 2. 2 groups of 2. 3 groups of 2. Whoops. 4 groups of 2. 5 groups of 2. And 6 groups of 2. That's one way of doing it. I could do it with pennies. There's 1 group of 2, another group of 2, another group of 2, another group of 2, 2, 4, 1 group, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll just get 2 more pennies, and that makes 6 groups of 2. Could do it with 2p's because there's 2 pennies in this group. Remember, that's a group of 2. I can use anything from around the house. So I'd like you to see how many ways you can make the groups that I've asked in our Independent Practice 2 activity. Send lots of photos too, but you don't need to write anything down, although tell me which groups you're doing. I can't wait to see them year 2. Have fun. See you soon. Bye.